Hello, this is Professor Dr. Sandeep Arora, Dean, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, MIT University, Punjab. Pharmaceutical industry is a very dynamic industry with new products and new research-based molecules hitting the market on and off. At MIT School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, we have programs which cater to all the needs of the pharmaceutical industry, starting from basic research in synthetic molecules, phytochemical molecules, as well as microbiology and biotechnology derived molecules for drug usage. Also, making sure that subjects related to manufacturing aspects on small scale as well as large scale and setting up of industry are covered in the programs. The programs also cover various aspects on the testing and quality control of molecules and also the regulatory documentation, which are important part, so that globally the regulating bodies are able to make sure that safe and effective drugs are introduced into the market for the patient. Human trials, after the animal trials, they are an important part of the research. All these things are also as a part of the curriculum in various programs at MIT School of Pharmaceutical Sciences. MIT University, Punjab, through the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, offers various opportunity to the students so that they can develop themselves as pharmaceutical researcher, as pharmaceutical management professional, as well as pharmaceutical entrepreneur through research facilities as well as industry-based collaborations, so that students can get exposure in different dimensions. Students can also specialize through their masters and PhD in all these areas, either going toward the research or operations side or also on the management sides, making sure that they are contributing to the pharmaceutical business, expansion of the business as well as international marketing. The university, by virtue of its facilities for sports, co-curricular and curricular activities and various programs which help in the personality development, make sure that the students, when they come out, they become thorough professionals in the field of pharmaceutical sciences. Thanks very much.